Hi, my awesome friends. Today it's Show Me What You Got. Today's collaboration is miniature doll houses. I don't have a dollhouse, but you'll see what I had to do to participate in this collaboration today. My mom, Grandma Sandy, is the host, and I am the co host, Debbie from Blossom Your Creativity. So stay along and see what I do. As I mentioned, I don't have a dollhouse to participate in the collaboration, but I do have this inspiration photo. So let's take a look. So I told my husband this is what I wanted to make, and he pulled out some old boxes out of the recycle and he started building. So now it's him. He's the architect in the family, not me. So I gave him my inspiration picture and he went to work. We're taking pictures of, the dimensions and all that. And he was supposed to have done this before putting it together. So once I realized he was already putting it together, I said, stop, I need to take some pictures. However, it became very apparent that this is very tricky. So we decided to stop trying to measure and just show you some photos of, how he put it together. It's not very easy. It was pretty difficult to say for sure. Anyways, then I got into the part of trying to embellish it. So here it is, just putting it together. He did a great job, I think. And again, these are just boxes from the recycle bin. Anyone has boxes if you get a lot of shipping, packages. And so again, he used a lot of hot glue. So I did lose the video of where I painted, but we went ahead and made the porch out of popsicle sticks, and we had some unused, I don't know, like a little pole, not pole, but I don't know, some kind of piece of wood we had. And then I ordered these balloons off of Amazon and thought it would be cute to put in the chimney. So here I've put it in the chimney. I put some green foam to stick the balloons down inside it. And then I just simply painted over the green with some brown paint to make it appear that it's a voided space. And here is what it looks like with the balloons coming out of the chimney. Now here is how we made the windows. We just used that same cardboard and cut it into smaller pieces, spliced it together, looked like a window pane. We also put a piece of parchment paper to give it the illusion that it is a window, truly. And this is the back door with the steps we made, again using just cardboard. And then here's the front, same thing. We made the little porch with the little steps, and then you can see the different colors in the paint that we used. And here I thought I would display it outside. Not a great look here, but just wanted to show you different options. It's pretty cute outside though. No, you like the color of the chimney. I had painted some little lines to give it the appearance that there's brick there, and then the color variation in the roof looks like it's been out in the weather and the rain has pelted it and made some changes in it, in the color I mean. So it's pretty cute. How do you like the tree next to it? Doesn't make sense though. There's no grass. How's the tree gonna go on concrete? I don't know. I just stuck it there. So let's see what I do next. So this looks a little bit better setting. The tree looks like it belongs there. And how do you like that little fence? I borrowed it from my mom. Came from her fairy garden, since I don't do fairy gardens. But look at how cute the house is up against the backdrop. I'm liking it. Sorry, it's not a true dollhouse. You can't go inside and see the rooms. But it's a cute facade though. And we did it all the way around. Look at the roof. I think that roof line is really cool. My husband did a lot of work on that. It wasn't easy whatsoever. Look at it. Then we have the little welcome sign. See from a different angle. I think it's pretty close to what the real thing is. And here we go into the steps in the front. I didn't have any little figures to put on the porch, or I would have placed one there. But I don't have anything miniature like that, like my mom. And I borrowed that tree from her, and the little welcome sign, and the fence. So now I decided to change it up one more time. And this isn't too bad. I like the backdrop. What do you think? So now we'll get a more detailed view of the whole house in its new surroundings. Got the fence with the tree. And here's the side view. You can see how all these little cuts that my husband had to make to put this little house together. Like I said, it was not easy, but he's a professional. He got it done for me. You see all the different colors in the paint. I should have continued painting the window trim, but I ran out of time. So this is the back side. Looks pretty good in its little location here with all the greenery. And I wanted to mention, I don't think I said it earlier, that this house was made as a project for my job. We had a little display that we had to make for our job, and our theme was No Place Like Home, and we used the Up movie as our inspiration, and so I was tasked to make the little house for a display. So I thought it turned out cute, and because we had made it for the display and my mom was doing a miniature house challenge and I didn't have a house, I thought, why not use this one? So with that in mind, that's what I'm showing today. But for using cardboard, I thought it was pretty ingenious, pretty good, and it's actually very sturdy. The only thing we missed on that side is we forgot to put a window. But other than that, it looks like the real thing. Maybe the balloons could need some help. But, you know, I did the best I could with what I had. So I hope you guys enjoy. And if you're not already following, please consider. And give me a comment if you like what I did. Now please go over and visit the playlist to see all the other creators' miniature dollhouses. And of course, don't forget to go over and see Grandma Sandy. She has a beautiful dollhouse and ready to show it off for her first time. She's still working on it, but she really wants to share it with everyone. Now here is the display that I had at my job, just to give you an idea of what we did. And I also wanted to mention that I had done a Dollar Tree dollhouse makeover a couple of months ago. So if you haven't already seen that, go back and check that out. It is super cute and I'm so proud of it. Now, if you're not already following this channel, please consider doing so. And if you like what you see today, please give me a big thumbs up, and that lets YouTube know you like my content. Thank you for taking the time and stopping by today, and see you in the next video.